Hi, all. This is Sheree from the Natural Cottage. One of our members asked me today if I could give you guys a hand learning how to use a batch calculator. And I had done up the recipe for the bubble bath that Sarah had shared with us. So this is how you do it. I'm at wholesalesuppliesplus.com, calculators batch size calculator. Okay, when somebody gives you a recipe and it's in percentages, like this recipe was, you use a batch calculator to convert the recipe. So in this instance, I want to do 32 ounces. I got the ounces checked. I put the title up here. Cocoa Batine was the second one. Oh, was it 40%? Give me a second here, guys. Let me pull it up. Sorry, Kathy. She'll be embarrassed. All right. 40% Cocoa Batine, 10% Bioturd. Yeah, it'll work. Oops. 10%. Glycerin was 5%. Whoops. Boy, guys, if I could type, it would be really good. All right, so we got 89.99. Excuse me, 84.94.99. And we're going to put the preservative in at 1%. The original recipe had 0.5, but because there's such a high amount of water in there, I'm going to go max. And use Crofix as a thickener if needed. Well, heck, I type so good. If needed. All right, so, and then all I'm going to do is hit calculate and see right here before I do that it says 100%. All of your percentages have to add up to 100%. If you notice, there's no fragrance oil in there or coloring. We'll add that later to the finished batch. Okay, I hit calculate and see how over here it's got a row of distilled water would be 14.08 ounces, cocoa batine 12.8, bioturd 3.2, glycerin 1.6, preservative 0.32. All right, and if you want a Crofix, that would be additional too. If you want fragrance oil, that would be additional. Okay, and then you can print this. Where's it at? Down here. Okay, you can print it, or you can actually, you know what? I am going to print this page, or you can save it. But that's how you use a batch calculator. It is that easy. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Sheree from Bath Divas and the Natural Cottage. How's that? Thanks.
a little bit more. So I'm probably going to add about 4 or 5 ounces of water. Once it heats up. So I